FPGA engineers have the best salaries on the high-tech industry. Even comparing to a software engineer. If you want to become an FPGA engineer, you need to learn how to code in VHDL language. VHDL language used for describing an FPGA. But what is an FPGA? FPGA is an integrated circuit designed to be configured by a customer or designer after manufacturing. They are used in every smartphone, cars, especially electric cars, that has more electronics inside, jets, ships, satellites, and space industry, and actually almost every electronic device at your home. Today, every big company yearning for FPGA engineers, and with the climate of market consumption of electronics, the demand for FPGA engineers just keep growing, and so the salaries, of course. A couple weeks ago, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, and even Intel announced that they're fighting for every FPGA engineer. If you want to be an FPGA engineer, I will teach you everything you need to know in this course in order to code in VHDL. Join my course today and find a job with high demand and a better salary.